Welcome to another podcast of Master Investor. I hope you had a great day. We're going to be talking about printable income, which is basically passive income. Remember, we talked about the three types of income that exist: ordinary income, portfolio income, and passive income. What we focus on at Master Investor is passive income, which is the income of the ultra rich. It's the income that provides us with financial freedom and allows us to really live our life at our own terms. So printable income today is achievable very easily, actually. For example, if we create a PDF of our passions, whatever we enjoy doing and like to read about, if we focus and produce a PDF that instructs and shows resources to the reader and the person looking for answers, and they just don't have the time to do all the extra work that we did. So we produce a PDF with valuable information, and that becomes printable income, because once a PDF is done, and it could be 20 pages, it could be 10 pages, it doesn't matter how long it is. Once that is done and it has a cover page with the chapters and whatnot, we put it as a digital form on Amazon and Kindle and all of those platforms that allows us to sell it digitally. Every time somebody buys it, then that goes straight to our account. We could be sleeping, we could be doing whatever, and we're gonna still earn that income as much as people buy it. It could go viral and people buy it every day. So that is one type of asset right there that will produce cash flow to create printable income. Income that is literally for free, because at the end of the day, we're gonna recoup our money back very quickly, and then anything after that is infinite return on investment. So hope that helps you. Remember, it's all about acquiring assets and getting to that printable income, which is infinite return on investment. And that's what we want. That's the holy grail. It's all about assets, acquire assets, and have an active hands-on on acquiring more assets, okay, for our business and personal assets. It's important. We have financial statements in our personal life and also our business life, and the whole purpose is to acquire more assets in the asset column. Brought to you by Master Investor Company, here reporting live from another beautiful night. If you're in a different part of the world, then hopefully it's a beautiful day over there. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and give us a feedback. I'll talk to you on the next video, on the next podcast. And go to Instagram at Master Investor and follow us there. We'd like to share with you additional tips that will help anybody become more successful with money and cash flow. Talk to you soon. Take care.